could be said as a kind of art which has a close relationship with their way of life, whether music for entertainment or for ritual ceremonies. Gender music is a kind of traditional music with riches of melody and rhythm. Gender music are not only performed for entertainment but also for the ritual ceremonies. A set of this gamelan consists of 4 gender instruments which are made of bronzes. A set of this gamelan consists of 4 gender instruments which are made of bronzes. As an entertainment, gender orchestra used for accompanying a shadow puppet play or a kind of performance it is played by a puppeteer. It has 2-dimension puppet performance and made of carving leather. The wayang performance usually tells about a classical story and full of advices and philosophy. Gender orchestra is a complement of ritual ceremonies, accompanying Dewa Yajna ceremony or ceremony for worshipping the Almighty God, and also accompanying the Manusia Yajna ceremony, such as a wedding ceremony and truth veiling ceremony. Bali is not only known as the island of 1,000 temples, but also rich of arts and cultures. Numbers of dances and traditional music find almost in every part of the village in Bali. Traditional Balinese music is divided into 2 groups: vocal traditional music and instrumental traditional music. Gamelan Gender is one of the instrumental traditional music. This kind of music usually accompanying the shadow puppet show and other ritual ceremonies. Many songs could be presented according to each function. The song which we are going to present is Gending Pamungkah. This song is usually played at the beginning of the shadow play while the dalang or puppeteers arrange the position of the puppet.